Look, this car is very nice. So you see, so it's really so wakas at least. So no, it's okay. No, okay. Oh, you see, very nice car, blue. Oh, wow. I tell to Sisi, it's very nice car. Oh, you see, oh. Wow, had a nice car. Oh, look inside. Thank you for the owner of this car to make selfie. Thank you. We make selfie. Oh, you see, very nice car talaga yan, no? Blue. Thank you. Look, oh, nandoon na yung tatlo. Ay, naku. It's very nice car dito. Blue. It's very nice. It's finished our night. That one also the red one. It's like also. Nice. It's Audi. Ayan yung best service. Oh, ayan yung best service ni Amo. Oh, no, sir, it's okay. Very nice yung service ni Amo. Ayun na, very nice yung service ni Amo. Ito po, sa wakas finish na. Hi. The film is not yet finished. The movie is very nice. But Sophia and she is not in a good mood also. And everybody she want to go with her mama. So that's why. Okay? And go. I think some also is to go out, not all here. It's okay na they can go out na, I think. They can go out already. You can make drawing na, Celine. Look, now I make it download. So, good night to everybody here in Baghdad. But all of them is enjoy pa outside. I think they can go out already. Yeah, because tomorrow is Friday. No work na for the government. So they can go out na. Oh, I saw it na all the cars. They go out. Okay, hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Shout out to all my subscribers of mine. Nationwide and worldwide. Thank you and bye.